Mga gaano katagal
Kasi ngayon
pa?
medyo meron pa akong effort sa corset na suot ko. So, nagsastruggle pa ako. Pag hindi na ako nagsastruggle.
Pero nakikita namin na nag-workout ka ha, sa Instagram,
Oo,
diba?
nagpa-workout, paunti-unti, bumabalik hanggat hindi pa bumubuka ang tahi. So, getting there. Ang hirap balikan kasi nagpahinga ako na matagal. But you know, wala akong, I don't wanna complain. Parang I have so many things that napagdasal ko na at more. Wala akong karapatang umangal.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I think we're down to the last two questions.
Last two questions. Rayma, you have a question. Rayma of ABS-CBN.
Ayan, oh.
So BTR kanina, Julian, parang sinabi mo, priorities change. Ano yung nagbago sa priorities mo, lalo na nung lumabas si Luna?
Marami na kapatid. Basic priorities would be, will I buy this bag or not? Pag babae ka, hindi ba ang priorities mo sapatos, bag, things na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Ngayon, ang priorities mo na, bibili ko ba itong bag? Uwi na lang ako, magluluto na lang ako. And more quality time with your children because we have 3 kids. One is 11, we have 5 and 6 months. Iba-iba sila ng stages. Iba-iba rin sila ng mga pangangailangan sa sarili nila, sa buhay nila. And so every milestone na nangyayari sa kanila, you always want to be there. So your priorities change with your time for yourself, with your time with your husband. It varies. And at the same time, nakikita mo yung difference ng atensyon na binibigay mo sa bawat bata. Now, ang priority na lang namin ngayon mag-asawa is to give them a good life. And at the same time, to be able to let them finish their studies sa isang paaralan na gusto talaga nila. Yung to be able to have a choice. I think that's the priority now. For our children to have a choice. To be able to support them properly. But also be able to give them the responsibility to be able to grow on their own. There is a priority now to listen more to your children kasi may minsan, di ba, pag magulang ka, hindi pwede to, hindi pwede yan, hindi ganyan. All of a sudden, ma-realize mo, ay, hindi pala pwedeng ganon. So, nag-iiba ka na ngayon ng atake. Ang priority mo na ngayon, mas makinig bago ka tumalak muna. Little things like that. And ngayon, ang priority ko ngayon maging mas hands-on na nanay. Pero at the same time, mas magkaroon ako ng time with my husband, time for myself. I want to enjoy my life. And I'm actually doing it now with Sun Life.
Thank you.
Thank you.
One last question.
Okay, our last question is from Tito Mario Bautista. Nandito siya sa taas.
Saan ka, Tito Mario?
Tito Mario, dito ka. Please.